We are packaging care packages for the Interfaith Ministries of Greater Houston to support refugees and their resettlement here in Houston. We have shampoo, we have deodorant, we have cleaning supplies. We're all, students, staff, and faculty. We're going to come in, go down the assembly line, make these bags for individuals, and also write personalized cards to encourage them in this moment.
I involve the community in everything that I do, and in the work that I do, in my research, and what I study, but also being able to give back in a one-on-one sense. It's special when research feels like it's a little bit more later, long-term. This feels like it has an impact right now. For me, this event is about doing something for other people, feeling that Jamaica's care packages can have an impact on an individual, on their day-to-day lives.
We're excited to support Interfaith Ministries because they do so much for so many populations here in Houston, like the Meals on Wheels program, and partnering with them as a university in terms of classes and committees is something that I hope to see a lot more of here at Rice. So this is just one of the things that we're going to do among many things over the years in terms of service as a department.
Many of the parts of this year on the table are things that we can take for granted that we have at our house, so we have easily access to, but not everyone does. And so to be able to create a package that has all of these things that you might need just to get by, and be able to get that to someone is a privilege for us, but also a blessing.